Hello Dollface, it's Kat here and I'm wearing neutrals. What is going on? This is weird. I know. I'm not like rainbow bright today like I normally am, but it's for a good cause because we are going to do a fall makeup. And this all kind of started because I realized I don't own any fall clothes. Like, I just don't have the color palette for fall in my wardrobe. I did at one point, but now it's like all gone. And I found this turtleneck and I thought it was super cute, and then I was kind of really inspired from it, and I really liked like the greens and the browns, and I was like, you know what, I should do like a fall makeup look to go with this sweater. And originally it was supposed to be something like really soft, and I was going to do like a really soft glam elfish girl type of thing, and then it just kind of turned into this neutral glam look we have right now. I don't even know what to call it, but like literally to accentuate how hard it was for me to like find an outfit to wear for this video, I spent like an hour trying to find just earrings that were fall, and the best I could come up with these fox ones, which they're cute. Do you like the fox? But like, this is it. This is the majority of my fall clothes. I live in Florida. It stays 80 degrees all year. I get like 2 days of cold weather and then it's just hot and green. I don't get fall. I don't have fall. I like summer. I mean, I don't really like summer because of the heat, but I like the summer palettes. I love all that, and like, fall is so neutral. So I came up with a look that was a neutral look for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I got it, please keep watching. Okay, so I already have on my foundation and my eyebrows, and I'm sorry they look kind of crazy today. I just like literally could not do my eyebrows. I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Pro Palette, and we're going to work with those greens and orange shades because I feel like they'd be really perfect. Like, this is a really nice like autumn palette. Like, yeah, I bought this palette for the purple and the pink, but I can use naturals and neutrals, and like I have this so we're gonna match it to that because this is literally like the only fall clothes I own. So yeah, I'm gonna go into this so I'm actually gonna first go into this like nudie transition shade right here and just run this throughout my crease, just give a nice like base to everything, so everything will kind of fade into that. You zoom you in. So I really just did like a light wash of that and just like super blended it out so it could be a like just a warm transition, giving it some depth. Like, it's not the star of the show, but it is there. And I'm really just gonna blend it until it's kind of just like gone. This is just for that slight bit of color. Now I'm going to go in with this like orangey reddy shade. It's like a really nice fall crisp look. I'm going to start running this deeper into the crease, really focusing on the outer and the inner corner, not getting towards the middle of my eyelid though. So now that like all the base and transition colors are kind of down, I want to start adding in some depth into the look. So I'm going to add into here, throughout here, and really deepen this up. So I'm going to go in with a chocolatey brown shade, and I'm just going to start deepening up all these creases. So I'm going to go into here and just start kind of getting in there. Then I'm taking a more like compacty type blending brush. It's like a, I don't even know, what is this called? It's a crease brush, and I'm just really gonna help blend out where we put that darkness into the red. Now just to kind of go as like an eraser through the brow bone and the orange, just to make it really even more softer, because it's kind of a little harsh right now. This is my first time kind of really working with a lot of these shadows, so I'm just gonna go in with a cream color powder, and I'm just going to go over the edge, and it kind of works as an eraser and just softens up those edges real quick. So that's an easy trick. So if you have a hard time blending, just like go in with this and literally just erases all your problems. Like, look at that, now it's softer. Like, it was harsh and now it's soft. Alright, so back into these neutrals and browns and things, because that's who I am right now. I'm going to be taking my finger and I'm just going to stick it into this gold shade, and I'm going to press that into the center of my lid. I'm just doing like a golden halo eye. I know, how many times can I do a halo eye on this channel? I don't know. I just like them. They're pretty. So I'm just kind of setting that in through the lid. I didn't put concealer down because I wanted it to be kind of like a soft, like not in your face metallic like I normally would, so I just wanted it to be very like blended into the rest of the eye. Who am I? I don't even know. Like, what is this? Neutrals? I can't. Like, I mean, it's cute. Like, I mean, fall is kind of hard for me because I'm just not a fall color palette girl. Christmas, I can get away with like frosty, pastel-y like colors and brights, and like Halloween, you can do like bright greens, and summer, you can do neons, and spring, you can do a bunch of pastels. But fall, it's all like neutral, warm tones, and yes, they're really pretty and they look great. It's just like not me the best, so I'm gonna actually try to do some color. Now, it's like a neutrally color and not like the greatest, brightest color, but I'm... Sorry guys, my cat just has to be on the table while I'm filming and is being the worst. But I'm going to add a little pop of color, and I'm going to go in with this green under here, and I'm going to run it through my lower lash line to really make the leaves pop. And also, like, I want to tie in more of the shirt, and there's brown and greens in it. So I'm just going to go in and start applying that. I don't know how I'm feeling about that. I think I'm going to tie in a little bit of that dark brown that we used earlier and mix it to make it a more like foresty, darker green, because it's right now it's like a bright hunter green, and that's not what we're looking for. I'm just going to take a little bit of the green and blend it up to the top a little bit to tie it in some more, just for a little more cohesion. There's this really pretty like metallic brown green color, and I think I'm going to put that throughout the lower lash line as well. I think that would look really nice with all this. Literally had no plans for this video, to be honest, so it's just me kind of just playing around, messing with things, so I'm sorry if this gets confusing. I'm just trying to figure what I want to do out. That's a little better. I like that. Okay. That tied in good. That was what we needed there. Okay, let me get this fallout though. I will say there's a lot of fallout with this palette. This is really like I've messed with a few colors before, but I haven't really played with this, so just be careful when using this, I would say. Not like a first impressions or anything. I'm just like, hey guys, like, I'm just being dumb and not paying attention to what I'm doing. Can you guys hear my cat like cleaning himself? Like, he won't get off my filming table and he's being so obnoxious. Like, Pepper, come on. Pepper! Now I'm going to take a coffee eyeliner and just do a wing liner real quick. And I'm going to apply mascara and lashes off camera real quick. Okay, so this got way more dramatic than I originally planned on this eye look being. I was gonna go for more of like a soft, subtle fall leaves vibe, and now here we are with like a full-blown glam smoky eye going on. I don't know what happened. I'm not planning any of this, but we're gonna move on. Still trying to cute this up a bit, but let's go in with some contouring because I'm gonna add some shape to my face, because literally wearing this turtleneck, I kind of look like just floating head. So let me just add a little bit of contour into here, and I'm just gonna take my shades. This is like that Rouge 21 palette I've been obsessed with. I'm just going in the two and adding a little bit of shape. For blush, I'm going to go back in with that orangey shade we use a transition, and I'm just going to start packing that on and blending it out. See, originally the blush was supposed to be the main like event on this look, and I was like really excited because I was going to do such an orangey, blushy, soft look, but here we are. Here we are with a full glam dramaticness and a cute elfy autumn blush. I'm like the diva fall elf. For highlight, I'm just going to go into this Goldie shade in the Sleek Solstice palette and just apply this everywhere. So let's like glow up those cheeks. Hit into the brow bone. Nose. lips, more in the brow bone, a little bit of the forehead, chin. Ooh. Oh my god, it is so hot. Why did I think it was a good idea to wear a turtleneck in Florida in the 80-degree weather without a fan on? I'm dying, but it's fine, it's fine. It's like, is this sweat or is this highlight? Who knows? Who knows? But it's looking good, it's popping. Okay, so I'm really excited for this next part because it's brand new. I just got it. It is from the new holiday collection of Jeffree Star. It is the shade Karma, and it is like a olive army green, and I think it's perfect to go with this shirt, and I'm really excited how it's gonna look with this look. Yes, okay, this is, oh, this is good. Look at this color. I'm really into this. Like, okay, so this is neutral to me. Like, a dark green is more neutrally to me than like the warm browns and stuff. So this is like a neutral lip, okay? And look how cute the packaging is. Like, it's so glittery. I wish my camera would pick it up as it is in person, but literally it's just so beautiful and glitter, and I love it. Okay, so I was about to say this look was over, but I didn't do an inner corner highlight, so I'm just going back into those Goldie shades. I'm just gonna pop. I literally have no idea how I missed this inner corner highlight. Like, am I the worst beauty vlogger in the world? Most likely. I'm sorry. But hey, it's on now. I'm highlighted. I'm good. It's all done. Do I look fall enough for you guys? Is this like an everyday fall glam look? Like, I know it's really dark and heavy and not like super whimsical like I planned, but I'm digging it. Like, maybe I can do neutral sometimes. I could be that girl and not always just like pastel rainbow brightness all the day, every day. I'm feeling it. I got this. Like, what's up? What's up? I'm cute. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. I'm really happy with it. I feel super cute right now, and like, maybe I fit the neutral life. I don't know. But yeah, this is my fall look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I would just be really rad of you guys. Tell me down below if you guys like this neutral look and like to see more neutral looks for me, or would you rather me just go back to being the rainbow queen that I am? So let me know. I mean, I'm feeling this and I like it, but this isn't every day to me. This is like, whoa, Kat, you're wearing neutrals type of day. But I like it. Like, I really like the blush. I will be wearing this color as a blush a lot more, because I know I don't have a good orange blush, so this will be literally like perfect. And I love this lip. It's everything. I'm so happy I got it. I almost didn't, but like, I'm gonna wear this army green like every day. I'm here for it. I am here for it. When did green become such a staple in my makeup? I don't know, but I've been doing a lot of green lately and it's weird. But thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!